let's learn how to set price alert on Binance. I will show you this tutorial on PC because on desktop it's very easier than on phone, more simple and faster to do. So what is actually price alert? Price alert help you stay on the top of the market by notifying you when you reach or meet a certain price you set. How you can make that price alert? By going to alerts that's on top right corner, and as you can see here, you will instantly see price alert. You also have movement alert and margin alert. For price alert, you can select what market you want. Pair, for example, let's select I don't know, this. You can set different conditions from last price to 20-hour change, up to or down to. You can set condition, I don't know, whatever you want. For example, alert time every 30 seconds or manual close. Frequency, I would set always. Alert sound on. Note, you don't need to add anything. When you're finished with everything, just click on save and it will be done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.